Did you see the news today? Tell me. Did you hear what the doctors say? Tell me. Why the kids weren't allowed to play? Tell me. So why the masses weren't allowed to pray? Lockdown, closed town, playing on the ground. Said you can walk around and be nowhere bound. So tell me. So tell me, what do you want from me? Can't fill my mind with no subsidy. Can't lock me in, but my mind is free. So tell me, tell me, tell me. So tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me. Did you hear what the people say? Tell me. The theory or conspiracy? Tell me. Said, are we living in a world of prophecy? Tell me. Said, is it all just the same to you and me? Conspiracy, poverty, messed up economy, 5G. All we need is just some honesty. Tell me, did anyone get closer? So tell me, did you find any closure? Tell me, were you happy with the media exposure? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Consequence, no nonsense. You can say hello to your friend, but you're only from your friends. Testing, suggesting, I'm just insane.